Today we're taking a close look at a tool I use on almost every project that saves a ton of time, the Sailrite Radius Corner Punches. These punches quickly and easily let you cut a radius from a 90-degree corner. And there's actually two reasons you might want to add a radius to your corners. First of all, it just looks really nice. A rounded corner usually looks better than a 90-degree one. And secondly, it's more durable. So over time, a rounded corner is going to age much better than a sharp 90-degree one. Almost every project has at least one square or rectangle piece that needs a rounded corner. Cutting it with a knife can be tedious and often requires sanding to get a perfect radius. It's also tough to keep the corners consistent. One side of your wallet pocket might have a larger radius than the other, and nobody wants that. These punches solve that problem, giving you a smooth, consistent corner every time. To use them, place the punch on the corner, align the center of the punch with the apex of the corner, and make sure the edges of the punch are flush with the straight edges of the leather. Then simply strike it with a mallet or a maul, and you're done. Made of durable carbon steel, these punches will last a lifetime when used on a proper surface, such as a cutting mat or a poundo board. They come in 9 sizes from 3/32 of an inch to 1 inch. And just to clarify, those measurements indicate the radius itself. So I initially thought that our 25mm or 1 inch punch would mean an inch from here to here, but actually the way that it's measured is from the apex of the corner to where the curve starts. So the 1 inch corner punch, this is the 1 inch it's referring to. You can buy these individually or get the whole set to be ready for a wide range of leather projects. They're available now at Sailrite.com. Thanks for watching.